Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 18 in Electronics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find this question at the top of page 420. We're given 5 different types of electrochemical battery that have commonly seen use in the past several decades. Zinc carbon is probably the oldest familiar type, the mercury type, the nickel metal hydride type, which is still found in some computers and other devices, a rechargeable type of battery, the alkaline battery, which is very common. You'll find that in grocery stores, department stores, everywhere. Alkaline batteries or alkaline cells are extremely common and very familiar to most people, and lithium, which are also quite familiar and are commonly used in computers these days. These lithium batteries gained a little bit of notoriety in regards to some aircraft applications in late 2012 and 2013, as you may remember. But which of these 5 battery types have lost favor because they contain environmental toxins? Well, the correct choice is B, the mercury type of cells and batteries. They have a cathode or a negative electrode which comprises mercuric oxide or contains mercuric oxide. The problem with that is that when you discard batteries like that, and eventually you have to discard them somehow, that mercury leaks into the ground. It can get into the drinking water. It is just a bad thing in general, and even in trace amounts can cause a lot of problems in animals and humans. It tends to accumulate up the food chain. Doubtless you've heard about mercury in seafood. Some of that mercury is the result of mercury cells and batteries that were disposed of improperly years ago. So this type of cell and battery has lost favor. You can still find a few of them, I think, although I would imagine that in most jurisdictions they're against the law these days. So the correct choice, once again, is B. You can read about electrochemical cells and batteries in this book starting back on page 120 in chapter 4, Common Cells and Batteries. It describes how they discharge and how they work, and a little bit about how the different types are made and how they compare. Again, the correct choice here is B.